Hi, this is Rick and Leanne Borden, 8544 East Natal Avenue, Mesa, Arizona, 85209. This property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage with a den study office. That den study can also be used as a bedroom, so we can have this as a 4-bedroom if somebody so chose to do so. And it's on a corner lot, has RV parking, as will be noted with another video in the back. One thing to note, nothing can come over the top of this fence here. It can't be seen by the neighborhood. So if you have a vehicle that comes over the top, or a trailer or an RV, it's not going to work. However, if you have a utility trailer, 4-wheel drive trailer, something of that sort, or just want to put some stuff back here and store it, that's perfectly fine. Where the power is, the fountain does not work, and there's not water ran to it, so it's just really decoration at this point. It's got mature landscaping, and the neighborhood itself, it's a cul-de-sac. Right at the end of the cul-de-sac there's some walking trails, and if you head off that way, literally there's a park right there. If you head off to the left, it heads through the neighborhood, and you can walk all the way over to your grocery store if you care to. And then down this way, on the other side of the neighborhood, there's another park there as well, and I'll go videotape that so you have an idea. But this is the property, and if it looks like something you might be interested in, go ahead, let us know, and we'll be more than happy to continue the process. Thank you.